Hi, today we are going to elaborate Teltonika GPS devices. Why we are selecting Teltonika GPS devices? It's more reliable than durability and more accuracy. The top three fuel monitoring Teltonika devices are FMB 120, FMB 125, then FMB 920. Let's we take FMB 920 Teltonika fuel monitoring device. Why we are selecting this FMB 920 Teltonika device? It's a more compactable and more durable and accuracy. It has backup battery to our clients. We are recommend for FMB 920 with Italian fuel sensor solution, and also it has support analog fuel output and then secondary engine cutoff. The next device is FMB 120. The device is most compactable than upgraded version of FMB 920. Why we are selecting FMB 120? It support temperature sensor and door sensor, AC on and off sensors, RFID readers, then secondary engine on and off. Let's see. We take FMB 125 Teltonika fuel monitoring device. It supports both analog and digital outputs. Sometimes we can connect maximum 5 sensor outputs support FMB 125 device. It can give more accuracy, reliable, compactable. It supports Bluetooth connectivity, dual SIM facility. Finally, all the Teltonika devices are supported to live monitoring and pinpoint accuracy, idling and ignition detection, overspeed detection and crash detection tracking, allowed to access and read CAD data. Now let's see, today we are explaining a wiring connection with Italian fuel sensor to connect FMB 120, then FMB 125 and FMB 920. This is Italian fuel sensor. FMB 920 wiring installation connection with fuel sensor. See the connection of FMB 920 Teltonika device. This is the main power of vehicle and then earth. Yellow is the vehicle ignition and then gray is the fuel analog input, then white is relay connection. This is a Italian fuel sensor connection with FMB 920. For normal power input of Italian fuel sensor is brown. Brown is the main power, then white is ground, and then green is connect with device gray, then white is relay connection. Let's see the FMB 120 connections. This is FMB 120 Teltonika fuel connected device. Let's see the basic connection of FMB 120. This is the main power connection of vehicle, then vehicle ground, then yellow is the ignition connection, and otherwise you see the door sensors, AC connections. This pure white is connected with AC and door sensor, then secondary engine connections, then otherwise you have to connect temperature sensor with this green, and with fuel sensor connection this gray and blue. Gray and blue is the transmission and receiving data. This is temperature sensor connect with the FMB 120 device. It has 3 wiring. First red is connect to the power, then black is connect with ground connection, and the sensor yellow is connect with device green. The device green is the temperature. Let's see the FMB 125 connections. Let's see the FMB 125 connection with Italian fuel sensor. Like a same connection of FMB 120. The major difference of FMB 120 and FMB 125 is FMB 120 is connect with only one sensor. FMB 125 is connect with maximum 5 sensor. With my software is accommodated with 2 sensors. Let's see the connections. This is a basic main power and ground, then ignition, then fuel input. Then otherwise connect the temperature sensor with green. For Teltonica devices, please contact us. Contact details are given below. Thanks for watching. Thank you.